sagot para po sa akin is a resounding yes. Bakit? Dahil sa itong bagay, ang mga dokumentaryo nyo ay truthful, thought-provoking, at transformative. Ano pong ibig sabihin ko po kapag truthful, thought-provoking, at transformative? Pag truthful, it captures real-life events and experiences. Wala pong drawing dito. Totoong kwento. As raw as it gets. Thought-provoking, right? It encourages reflection on complex social, political, and cultural issues that may go unnoticed. May mga bagay na parang maaaring hindi natin pinapansin, hindi natin pinapahalaga. Pero kapag tinutukan ng camera at pinag-isipang mabuti, maaaring mayroon pong kwentong nasa likod na may dinudulot na maganda. At ikatlo, transformative, it has the power to educate, to empower, and inspire meaningful change. Tulad ko nabangitin po kahalagahan ng kwento, ng bawat kwento na ginagawa namin sa eyewitness ni Miss Caroline Kenya.